Hello everyone! Today's video will keep you on the edge of your seat as we watch shocking and unexpected accidents, from horrific crashes to moments of chaos. Join us as we see just how dangerous and fragile life on the road can be. Drive safe to all of us. A very terrible incident. The plane fell to the road because it was on fire. What do you think the condition of the passengers is?
There's so much trash talking, and I don't mean the players, I mean the fans. I don't know too much.
Come on bro, control your car speed when the road is crowded. If you get hit from behind like this, what will you do? A shocking pileup. This truck hit all the cars that had an accident in front of it, and destroyed all the cars. If you are a truck driver, you must know the height of your truck, and always pay attention to the bridge you want to cross. When you are in a traffic jam, the thing you have to do is be patient. Don't force yourself to overtake carelessly, if you don't want an accident.
Oh! Where are we? Oh my God.
Overtaking a truck is not easy. You have to keep your distance, and increase your speed a little. This car was too close to the truck, so it hit and a terrible accident happened. The driver of the heavy equipment truck crossed when the train had not yet fully crossed the intersection. And this is what happens because you are impatient. The black car driver's poor calculation. Unfortunately, the car's bumper was damaged.
Whoa!
This truck swerved by itself. It seems like the driver was not controlling its speed. Always keep your car's distance from other cars, at least you can avoid accidents like this. Do you keep your distance when driving or like this driver? Control the side of your car if you want to overtake, This driver with his speed wanted to overtake another car, but unfortunately he hit the car he was overtaking, and suddenly he flipped over. This Mercedes was driving recklessly, but suddenly, the police came to him. Have you ever been ticketed by the police? Tie your heavy luggage. Don't let something like this happen to you. Are you a truck driver? Comment below. This BMW driver was reckless at traffic lights and in front of the police, so the police immediately chased him. Do you think the police are able to catch up with him? Terrible event coming soon. How could this car fall off the bridge? Was it going too fast, or was there an accident on the bridge?
Oh my god! Oh my god.
Oops, a very scary incident. This small car was sandwiched between two trucks when he wanted to overtake the trucks. Hopefully we are all safe on the road. The driver of this Audi car was angry when he was hit from behind. He got out of his car, but what happened was that his car moved forward by itself. It seems he forgot to pull the handbrake.
Motherfucker, here we go! God damn it! God damn, that dude is not okay. Motherfucker.
Truck versus truck, serious accident, one truck is destroyed. What do you think the condition of the driver is? This woman was seen sticking her head out of the car window, and a few moments later her car had an accident. Of course, something like this should not be imitated while on the road. This car wanted to overtake a truck from a different lane, but it didn't see that there was a truck in the other lane too. And it hit the truck. This city is flooded, the road is covered with water. If you pass through a flooded road, be careful, there may be holes in the road that are not visible when the road is full of water. This car driver dares to cross the gutter using 2 wooden planks. Do you dare to? Comment below. What do you think about this car driver? Write your comment. The woman drove her car, even though her child had not entered the car. This is the importance of focus in driving a car. Hopefully they are okay.
The optimum brake! Optimum brake!
The drifting was not perfect, so the car hit a hill on the side of the road. Thank you all for watching this video till the end. If you find this content useful, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to get our latest videos as soon as they are released. We strive and promise to bring you more high quality and interesting videos. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.